I love it when we get to this sector of the show. It's the trade of the day within the motor and spares sector. And Tshepo, I believe you had something completely different on the table. You had a wild card that you wanted to go with, but you couldn't convince Paul.
As per usual, I got bullied. I was going offshore route, specifically in Germany, looking at BMW. I think if you're looking for automotive exposure right now, that's your best bet. But apparently I'm not allowed to. So we
How could you even think of choosing a stock that we haven't spoken about within the show? Even I would have forced you out on this one.
Well, we could have picked it, but because we're linked to the real world portfolio at global trader gt247.com, we got to do stuff which is available on that platform. So much as I like BMW, it's in a sense like a luxury goods company because it's at the top end of the motor industry and doing really well, and it's cheap and it's very attractive. We've got to bring it back home. So it would have really come down to Met Air or to Invicta, but we're in Invicta already, and Met Air, as big as it is, it's not all that liquid, in fact. So Invicta's the one.
So we're going with Invicta.
We're in Invicta already, and the idea is that we like it tonight, so we're going to stay in it.
This means a high level of conviction. The first time we've used that terminology in hot stocks.
Sounds good. So it's a conviction buy. So we're in it already, but I suppose by virtue of being in it already, it's a hold rather than an aggressive add to buy.
Tshepo, do you think this one is going to yield some more short-term results? We are after both long and short-term results here.
Sure. I hope so on the short term because I have no idea where it's going to go over the next couple of months. Long term, I think it will reward you quite nicely. We've spoken about the diversification there. On top of that, they've got exposure to agriculture, which benefits them as well.